houses. There is, there are.
Now, we're going to talk about a new kind of verb. Here it is. There is, there is, there are. There are. Now, is followed by one noun, a singular noun. So, a singular noun. Okay, one something. There are is followed by a plural noun. Plural noun. Okay? So there is followed by a singular noun. There are is followed by a plural noun. Now let me show you. Here's some examples. There is one living room in my house. There is one living room in my house. Is one. Okay? There is one living room in my house. There are 3 bedrooms in my house. There are 3 bedrooms in my house. Do you see the difference? There is one living room. There are 3 bedrooms. Now, with there is and there are, you have to look here and then to see the verb. Okay? So there is one living room, is. There are 3 bedrooms, are. Okay? So you have to look after to see what the verb is. Now, here are some more examples. And I'll show you a couple of ways to do this. So here's the first one. One living room is in my house. Okay, you know this. One living room is in my house. But we can say it like this. There is one living room in my house. There is one living room in my house. These are the same information, but different sentences. One living room is in my house. There is one living room in my house. Okay, they're both correct. Here's another one. 3 bedrooms are in my house. So you know this. 3 bedrooms are in my house. Now, we can say there are 3 bedrooms in my house. Okay, so it's the same. There are 3 bedrooms in my house. 3 bedrooms are in my house. There are 3 bedrooms in my house. Now, these are correct, but these are better. There is one living room in my house. There are 3 bedrooms in my house. These are nicer and more normal. Okay? Now, let me show you a chart, and you can see it on the screen also, with some statements and questions. Okay. There is a bedroom. There is a bedroom. Is there a bedroom? Is there a bedroom? See, we changed it. There is a bedroom. Is there a bedroom? And like the other ones, yes, there is. Yes, there is. Or, no, there isn't. So there's a bedroom. Is there a bedroom? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Okay, this is for one. There are 3 bedrooms. There are 3 bedrooms. Now, to make the question, are there 3 bedrooms? Are there 3 bedrooms? There are 3 bedrooms. Are there 3 bedrooms? Now you can guess the answer. Yes, there are. Yes, there are. Or no, there aren't. Okay, so there are 3 bedrooms. Are there 3 bedrooms? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Okay? All right. Now, let me ask you some questions. Susan, in your house, is there a kitchen?
Yes, there is.
Okay. Now you ask Ali.
Ali, in your house, are there 3 bedrooms?
No, there aren't. There are 2 bedrooms.
Okay. Ask Isabel.
Isabel, in your house, are there 2 bathrooms?
No, there aren't. There is 1 bathroom.
Okay. All right. Now, we can add more words to these sentences. And let me show you what they are. We can use these 3 to add more information. So here we go. Here's the first one. Some. Some. Now, we can use it in a positive statement, negative, or a question. Okay? Some. Any is only used in negative or questions. Okay? Any. And no is only for negative. Okay? Some positive, negative questions. Any negative or questions. No negative. No negative. Okay? All right. Now, here come some examples. All right. Now, there are some bedrooms in my house. There are some bedrooms in my house. Here's the question. Are there some bedrooms in your house? Are there some bedrooms in your house? I hope so. Yes, there are. Are there some bedrooms in your house? Yes, there are. Okay? Another one. Are there any bedrooms in your house? Okay, so remember, any can be used in a question. Are there any bedrooms in your house? And you can say, yes, there are. Or, for a very strange house, no, there aren't. Okay? Are there any bedrooms in your house? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Okay, there aren't any bedrooms in my house. So here we have negative, negative. There aren't any bedrooms in my house. And then finally, we can say there are no bedrooms in my house. There are no bedrooms in my house. So notice here we have there aren't any, there are no. Okay, so a little bit different, but the same information. It's a very strange house. Okay, now